Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I'm 37. I do keto vlogs, keto hauls, keto meal preps, reviews, all the keto things. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy, fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love the clicky clickies. It's a thumbs up. Helps my channel grow and helps me get into the YouTube land or universe. Let me take my gum out of my mouth. Okay, I don't want to be chomping on a piece of gum because I know how extremely annoying that can be from watching other people do it, so I'm removing it. Today is a much better day. I appreciate everybody's kind words in the comment section yesterday. It really helped. It helped push me into, you know, realizing I'm doing what I need to do. It's not unobtainable. I can do this. Calm down. You know, I don't know, it's life basically, and we all go through struggles, daily struggles, weekly, monthly, sometimes it feels like it never ends, but I promise you, you will come out of it. You just have to keep the positivity, you have to stay positive, you have to find a helpful and supportive group of people, and that is what I have with you guys. I'm getting teary-eyed talking about that. But it is because of you guys that I have such an amazing support system, and I have so many people to help keep me going and to push me. And so that's the whole reason I started my channel, and I'm so extremely thankful for you guys. I love you guys so much. And so before I start crying, I just wanted to let you guys know that I appreciate you guys and I thank you for everything you guys do. If you are new here, it's usually not starting like this. I usually tell you what I'm having for lunch, what I had for breakfast, and then I may do a little chit chat. So for breakfast, I just had, as usual, 2 cups of coffee. One was another one of just the regular off-brand K-Cups. I put some white chocolate mocha Jordan skinny syrup in there with some almond milk, and then a scoop of the easy, what is it? Easy, I can't remember the name of the brand name. It's just an MCT oil powder. And then in my other cup, it was Bones eggnog, which I'm almost out of, because I mean, I drink that probably the most. Bones Coffee Company eggnog flavor with a scoop of the MCT powder and some almond milk, and it was delicious and I absolutely loved it, and if I could drink that coffee all day, I absolutely would. As always, there's a link in the description if you're new to Bones Coffee and you haven't tried it and you wanted to. They have sample packs where you can get 5 different packs, you can get K-Cups, you can get all that stuff. It gives you $5 off of your first order, and then it gives me points, so then I can in turn use those points to buy more coffee. I'm not telling anybody, I'm not pushing anybody, but you see me drink it every day. If you're curious, that's how you can go about getting yours. And you can make your own link and then start your own referral system. Let's see. Lunch. I did vanilla keto chow again, and I added that white chocolate mocha to the vanilla keto chow. So I'm gonna add yesterday's Christmas cookie. Oh my god, it was so good. It literally tastes like I was taking a bite of a cookie, like a sugar cookie. Oh, it was so freaking good. And yes, work is still just as, this is my word, and I know it's not a real word, but it's a word that I say often, harassatory. I made it up about my cat, Macy, because she harasses me, and I'm always like, boys, come get your cat, she's being harassatory. So work is still being harassatory. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, I taste that white chocolate. Yeah, that's good. That is very tasty. That's a nice thing about the vanilla flavors. And the chocolate a little bit too, but you can kind of flavor them, of the keto chow, you can kind of flavor them to taste like really anything. Like if you want mint, you can add things to your chocolate. You can add like peanut butter to your chocolate, strawberry to your chocolate. You can add certain things that will go good with chocolate. And vanilla, you can add anything and everything. You can add the flavor concentrate drops, you can add skinny syrups, sugar-free syrups, whatever. Whatever you want to add to your vanilla, you can add it and you can get all these different flavors. And so this is really good. Love it. So again, thank you, Sheila. Thank you, Christy. Thank you guys so much for this vanilla I love it in my cup, and oh, thanks guys, I appreciate it so much. I love it. What else? What's happening? Not much. It's raining. It's like 41 degrees today. I don't know what happened. It went from being super cold to almost all of our snow is gone. There's just like what collects, you know. And I'm not really like super hungry. I am thirsty. So I'm trying to make sure that I'm drinking my waters and getting more waters in. Again, reminder that the Flex Pro meal, like I just unboxed it. I'm going to do more about that. Like I'm going to do a whole video for it, but this is my vlogs. And so I will be doing a dedicated video just for the Flex meals. You'll be seeing me try them in my vlogs and having my comments, but I'm gonna sit down collectively. You might see some pieces from my vlogs inserted into that video, but I wanna give it a fair go before, you know, I put out a dedicated video and say like, oh, they didn't send me instructions. I did speak to the company, and they did attach some, like a newsletter. They said that they're sorry that it didn't come with it. It should have. It always comes when people order. So yeah, and on the website I did see that those Fat Bomb snacks are like 8 to 10 carbs. That's kind of high, but it is a really big Fat Bomb. So you could cut it in half, you know. And I did eat one last night. I did eat, I have no idea which one. It was sort of like a peanut butter toffee, I think, and it was phenomenal. And that turkey burger yesterday was really good. However, I will continue to say, I do not like that they do not list all their ingredients. And they don't, because the turkey burger had spinach. I think it had onion, and I know for a fact that there was some sort of rice. Now, cauliflower rice wouldn't have that little line down it, because cauliflower rice is actually from cauliflower. This was rice with the little black line down it, so there was rice in it. I don't know how I feel about that, because it's listed as keto, and yeah, I don't like that it's not mentioned in there. Why? Was it in there on accident? It was like in the turkey burger meat though, I feel. I'm gonna eat another one of the turkey burgers, and I'm gonna try to investigate it more. I'll try to get it on video just so you guys can see it, because I don't know, am I missing something? I'm not sure. But I don't like that a lot of the ingredients are not listed, and the taste factor is definitely there. It was definitely tasty. It really was. It was very good. So there's 2 other meals that I have to try, and I'm definitely going to try those. I'm gonna have one tonight. I think I'm gonna do the meatballs with broccoli, and then tomorrow I will have the chicken parm, which is another thing I wanna reach out to them and see. For 15 carbs, are they counting total carbs or net carbs? So I need to reach out to them and try to find that out as well. I've rambled on for 8 minutes, so I'm gonna go, because you guys are probably like, girl. All right, I'm gonna drink my keto chow. I'm going to catch up on some YouTube, and I'll see you guys after work. Bye. Hey guys, just got home. Had a couple of packages. So the first package was from Misty. She sent me these smart muffins. They are keto friendly, limited edition. This is the pumpkin spice flavor. So she sent these to me, and they are, let's look at it together here. 94 calories for one muffin. Total fat is 6 grams. Total carbs is 26. There's 13 grams of fiber. There's 13 grams of erythritol. There are 10 grams of protein. So this is 0 carbs. So let's see, it's made with oat fiber, corn fiber, flax, eggs, pumpkin puree, erythritol, whey protein, isolate, olive oil, spices, herbs, salt, cellulose gum, monk fruit, citric acid. We will try one of these later, but I will show you how big it is, what the size is. It's fairly large. It looks yummy.
Looks like an army meal.
We'll try one later. She also sent me 2 of these. One of the Whole Earth Sweetener stevia and monk fruit. It's the liquid, and I'm actually going to bring one of these to work with me. And then just the regular stevia sweet drops, which thank you so much. It's nice to be able to carry one of these with you because you never know when you're gonna like be out and you don't have options. You can get a plain tea unsweetened and you can just pull this out of your purse and then sweeten your own tea. So I got that, and then from Left Coast Performance, they sent me their keto coffee creamer. Now I've actually already tried this. They've actually already sent this to me before, and it's about halfway gone, and it's the same thing. Same thing, just different size. So I've talked about this before. It's made with cacao. It's got MCT oil, ghee butter. It tastes pretty good. It's not, I wouldn't use it as a flavor coffee creamer, but to get your MCT, if you're looking to make a bulletproof coffee, it's pretty dang good. I have to go buy Corey some pants. I got lots of words to say about the Flex Pro, and I'm just going to make my final thoughts on it tonight. I'm gonna sit down and make my final thought video on that, and it's not good, guys. I don't really have a lot of great things to say. I do have some good things, but kind of disappointed, especially after talking to a lot of you guys and seeing a few other reviews, and you know, other people who have recently just got it, and I've seen an ad on Facebook and I read all the comments, and it does not seem like they have very many good fans. So unfortunately, this is gonna be a no-go for me. So far what I've had, it tastes good. However, I do not like not knowing what's in it. And by saying ingredients, turkey patty, cheese, and egg, that's not acceptable because there's a shit ton of stuff in that turkey patty. A lot. So I will try something again tonight, and I will just show you that they're not listing the ingredients as proof, and they don't tell you if it's total or net, and 15 carbs for a chicken parm. That's too much for me. That's like almost my entire day's worth of carbs, and that's just a lot unless you're doing OMAD. And to me, it's not very convenient. You have to thaw it for 24 to 48 hours, or you have to super nuke it in your microwave. That's not very convenient to me, that you have to thaw it. I don't know. Anyways, I'll talk more about it later. All right, guys, so I'm not even messing with the Flex Pro meals tonight. I am having a nice Caesar salad with some tomato, and then I got this big thing of game day wings from Meijer, and I'm gonna fill up on wings and a salad, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of my night, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys have an amazing night. I love you guys. Goodbye.